Today we're going to be working with fractions on a number line again, and they just want you to locate and label the following fractions on the number line. So this number line starts at 0, ends in 1, but then continues to go on to 2 and 3. And if you look at our denominator, it's 6's, so we're going to be breaking the number line into 6, which means we're drawing 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's broken into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they want us to label where each of these 5 fractions are on the number line. Well, 0/6 would be the very beginning. 0 out of 6 pieces. 6/6. Well, I know that 6/6 is the same as 1, but if I didn't, I could just count the jumps. 1, oops, there's a pen working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6/6. 12/6. Well, I'm at 6/6 here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12/6. 3/6. Starting at 0, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be 3/6. 9/6. Well, if 6/6 is right here at 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9/6 is going to be right here. There is a pattern here. It's basically we're starting at 0/6 and then going halfway and then all the way to the next whole number and then halfway again and then all the way to the next whole number. Okay, let's look at the next one, number 2. Locate and label the following fractions on the number line. What's our denominator? 4. So we're going to be breaking each piece between the whole numbers into 4 pieces. So that's broken into 4. 4. 4. What you need to look at and pay attention to is what are we starting with here? We're not starting with 0. We're starting with 1. We know that 1 is equal to 4 out of 4. So let's look at what they want us to label. 8/4. I just jump over my 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm starting from 4/4. So 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. So 8/4 is right here. 6/4. Well, I'm at 4/4 where we begin at. 4/4, 5/4, 6/4. 12/4. So I'm going to start again at 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4, 10/4, 11/4, 12/4. 16/4. Well, if I'm at 12/4 here, 13, 14, 15, 16, I'll be at 16/4 here. And then the last one is 4/4, which is where we started. You need to pay attention. If it doesn't start at 0, if it starts at 1, then we're starting at 4/4. Okay, let's look at number 3. Locate and label the following fractions on the number line. So the denominator is 3, so we're going to be cutting it into thirds. So cut each one of these into thirds. But look at what we're starting at. We're starting at 2. We're not even starting at 1, so it's not just like it's 3/3. What is 2/3 going to be? Well, if I'm not sure, I can always draw the number line back a little bit. and make this 1. And I know that 1 is 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 2 is 6/3. So that one there we've already labeled 6/3. Now we're looking for, I'm going to go with the next smallest one, which is 9/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3. So that's going to be 9/3. We've done that one. Let's do 11/3 next. 9/3, 10/3, 11/3, 14/3. So we're at 11/3 here, 12/3, 13/3, 14/3. And then we're going to be doing 18/3, 14/3, 15/3, 16/3, 17/3, 18/3. So what's really important to remember is we're not always starting at 0. We're starting at different numbers. So if we're starting at 1, we're starting at whatever the denominator is over itself, 4/4. If we're starting here, like at number 3, we're starting at 2. So we have to make sure we understand that 2 is equal to 6/3. We're not just starting at 1/3 because it's the first number. So you will have some forms questions to fill out about this. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always here to help you. I'm also going to post a link to some additional teachers teaching this so that maybe if you don't understand what I'm saying, some other teachers might be able to help you with it. But let me know if you have any questions.